Hello everyone! We are at Bled Gorge next to Bled. Guys, so this is basically the entrance. Look how beautiful it is. The parking is €5 per day and the entrance fee is €10 per person. And then I'm gonna show you, it's like, I know how it looks because I've seen the photos and the videos and it's just beautiful. And there's... Huh? Škatlicu? Imam karticu, yeah. My husband is asking me if I have a card to pay. Anyways, what was I about to say? It's 1.6 kilometers roundway. How do you say? And oh yeah, there's a lot of people. But I know in summer it's much more busier. So I think we came at the right time. Okay, guys, you can't take it. You have to pay for it. No, my husband can do it. So here is the map. Snimaj, mene. Okay. Here is the map, and I don't know. We'll see. I think it's 1.6 kilometers, and then look how beautiful it is. And the color is gonna be much more better. It's very warm. It's very nice. Oh, no drone. Up we go. Ta-dam, ta-dam, ta-dam. Ooh, it's getting more beautiful. How beautiful. Oh my God. Woo. Guys, you sure have to be careful. You have to look where you're going because it's just so beautiful around. And you just want to look around, but still you have to be careful not to fall, you know. There's quite a lot of people. Oh, look at this. How nice. Oh my God. The bridge? This is where we walk. Now we were just taking my photos and I was not satisfied. It was just so funny. You know, sometimes I just think I want to travel by myself and vlog by myself. But then when you realize you need someone to take photos of you, like, look at this, this is so beautiful. And like I said, be careful, look at where you're going. Oh, look at this animal. Oh, beautiful. Look at this water. Oh my God, it's so clean, it's so beautiful. Of course, here is not allowed to swim. That's why the color is so gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Woo! Look at the bridge. I don't know how much more do we have to walk. We've been walking now more than half an hour, but of course I've been stopping non-stop taking photos and videos. So yeah, I don't know what this bridge is. Bring water with you. We just drank now. I was so thirsty. Oh, this is perfect. I'm gonna show you now. So we are done, and here it is. But we still have to walk. I mean, I don't know, I'm a bit confused. And I don't know where do we have to go. Maybe it is really made like this, that you will come at the entrance point. We'll see, and I will tell you in a second. Oh my God! Oh my God, I can feel the water. This is insane. Oh my God. Hair is wet. Oh my God. I mean, it was so cool. So I have seen on the map that this is now the end, so 1.6 kilometers. And now we have to go back to the entrance point. There are like 4 paths, if I'm not mistaken, that I've seen. Oh crap, I have no idea where to go. I feel lost. Look how beautiful, look at the mountains. Oh my Lord. So here is the exit, and they also have a like coffee shop. So I have read that it's 1 hour to the entering point, 1 hour by walk. Like, that's insane. I'm just like in shock. I thought that was much closer. Although when you think about it, yeah, okay, 1 kilometer and something, and I don't know. But yeah, but it's beautiful. We're really gonna have a proper hike. Well, that's actually what I wanted, you know, because I've been non-stop sitting and not moving my body much. So yeah, this is actually gonna be very good opportunity for me to move my body. Look at this animalito. Mira esto. I have no idea what this is called. It's cute though. So we also got some mushrooms here. Now we are walking. I'm already hot and I am out of breath. It's pretty steep, like the stairs and everything. Oh my God, again, the stairs. Oh Jesus. Here we go. Not complaining though. 1, 2, 1, 2. Jedan, dva, jedan, dva. Mi smo deca vesela. I love chickens. They're so cute. So this is when you get out of the steep hills and stairs, and here is the railway that connects seaside. Oh, I think there's a cat. The maca. Oh, I love cats. Look at this beautiful nature. The couch. Here's also one like coffee shop. Yo, some boys, sa. Oh, hey. A te lahko pobojam. A te lahko pobojam. Počasi, počasi. Guys, I adore cats. You see? And now we walk back. Some more cows for you guys. Look at this nature. Oh. I could really see myself living here, but it's just so far away from everything. So 35 more minutes until the entering point. It's actually not that like far. It says at first 1 hour, and then we walked a bit and it was already like 40 minutes. So I think we're good. And cats are on the way, so it's perfect. Oh yeah, it's so hot. I took everything off, so yeah, it's really hot. I mean, it's fine, but when you're walking, of course, you get more sweaty. Well, some more cows for you. Wow. I think they are producing milk here. Look at the view. Guys, we are back. I think this was less than an hour. It was a nice hike. Yeah, I gotta say hike or walk. So yeah, we are here. I'm just so happy. And now we're gonna go to Bled and grab some coffee. And it's so hot. It's such a nice weather. We didn't stay in Bled because it was like jam-packed. We couldn't find the parking. We have come to Radovljica and it's like 5 kilometers from Bled, something like that. We had a fight in a car. And now we stopped in a restaurant and we're gonna eat some food, some local Slovenian food. So this is the old town in Radovljica. It is so beautiful. I was here like years ago. First is coffee and then food. So this is the entrance to this place that we're having a lunch at, and there is also a museum down there. Guys, I love this toilet. Everything is like in the wood, you know, look at this. Okay, here is very nice, wooden door. It's so freaking cool. Look at this photo. And huge mirror. The food is here. We had lunch. It was delicious. Like the food was amazing. Now we're just walking around the center here in this small, the cutest center ever. I've been here like a couple of years ago, and now I've noticed there are also some museums that I haven't been to. So I'm gonna have to come here by myself, you know, by bus, and just go around and see what I have left from the museums, because I just love museums. Now we turned right. How cute. Oh, and here is the view. I will show it to you. I didn't show you before because they're like around the city. Beautiful. And this is the view. If you can see there, the river Sava, and here is the railway. Gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Alrighty guys, we are going home. Thank you for watching, for being with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!